Hello everyone, welcome to Navina's Maths YouTube channel, group of CBSE Institute. Today we are going to discuss about SBI Junior Associative 2021 July 10th memory based paper from numerical ability questions. All 35 questions are very easy to moderate. Let's look at the first question, and 1 to 5 questions are bar diagram question. Is very easy. So the diagram represent a total flats as well as vacant and occupied flats. Okay, so this is a diagram is mentioned. So let's example A having there are totally 400 flats. Out of 400, 160 are vacant flats. 160 are vacant, therefore definitely 240 are occupied flats. So this same similarly follow from A to E also. Okay, so this is a very easy value. So not required to prepare a table. Table ni prepare cheyalsina necessity manaku ledu, direct answer cheskunటూ వెళ్ళండి. Okay, let's look at the first question. What is the first question? Number of vacant flats in building C and D. So we mentioned vacant flats of C and D. So vacancy is 180 plus 220 is how much? 400. So how much it is? 400 from C and D comparatively. Okay, so not regular percentage. For similarly, approximately what percent are number of occupied flats in building D and D? Occupied. Out of 600, 220 are vacant, 380 are occupied. Out of 420, 200 are vacant, 220 are occupied. Similarly, there are totally 600 and percentage how much? 100 it is. Okay, so 200 2 times, 200 3 times. 2 upon 3% is almost 66.66 percentage, approximately 67 percentage. Option C is the right answer. Okay, clear? So therefore, let's look at the next question. Let's look at the next question. Chuddam. What is the respective ratio of occupied flats in building A and E? A and E occupied. Okay, so A and E occupied together, vacant flats in C and D together, occupied from A and E. So out of 400, 160 are vacant and 240 are occupied. Okay, 240 plus 220, it's a 460. 460 means 23. So 23 is a prime number. Option A is absolutely right answer. Okay, similarly C and D. C and D is vacant flat. So 180 plus 220 is nothing but what? 400. Okay, 400. 0 zeros cancel. 223s are and 220s are. So 23 is to 20. Option A is the right answer. You can watch with simplification chapter. So because you can handle all type of this question with the smart calculation only. Okay. So ఈ విధంగా solve చేయొచ్చు. Let's look at the next question. Average of number of flats in building A, vacant flats. Average of vacant flats in building A and E is what percent of occupied flats in building C? Occupied flats in building C. So totally 540, 180 are vacant. So 180 are vacant. Definitely 360 are occupied. Okay. So there are totally how many are occupied? 360 are occupied. So average of A and E for vacant flat. So A as well as E, 160 plus 200 is 360. So 360 off is how much? 180. So how much percentage? 50 percentage. Option B is absolutely right answer. Okay, fast solve chale is easy to moderate ochindi, no need to take much time. Okay, so paper explanation koti we directly get into the question. Let's look at the next question. Total flats in building B and D together are how much more or less? Okay, B and D total flats. So B is totally 460 and D is how much? 600. It is totally 1060. So 1060 and A and C together. A is 400 and C is 540 is nothing but what? 940. So 940 means what? How much it is? 0 to 120. 120 is option D is absolutely right answer. So which option is right answer? D is absolutely right answer. So you think solve it. Let's look at the next question. If 3 people live in each occupied flat of building A, okay, so 3 people live in occupied flat of, out of 400, 160 are empty, there are 240 are occupied. Okay, 240 are occupied. Okay, similarly, and 2 people live in each occupied flat of building B. Okay, so 2 members. Okay, building B. So out of 460, 120 are vacant. So 340 into 340. So therefore the number of people living A and B together, that is 720, 086. Okay, so definitely it is 1400 people are living. So which option is right answer? C is absolutely right answer. So this is a bar diagram, very easy to moderate, not much of difficult. You can handle all 5 questions within short time of 1.5 minute. Okay, 1.5 minute also to time taking. You can answer is 1 minute. Okay, let's go for number series question. Missing number, we have to find missing number. 0.2, 2.7, how much increased? 2.5 increased, and it is 5 increased, and next it is 7.5 increased. Okay, so definitely it is you can go for it is 10. So definitely next one is 10. So 15.2 plus 10 is nothing but what? 25.2. Option C is absolutely right answer. Okay, so what is the increase from 0.2 to 2.7 is 2.5 increase, next 5 increase, next 1.5, obviously next is 10. Obviously next is 10, nothing but what? 15.2 plus 10, nothing but what? 25.2. Option C is absolutely right answer. This is a missing figure, so we have to find missing one. Next one, what it is a very accurately is alternative series. 15 to 60 is how many times? 4 times. Leave it is. Next to 210 to 230 is how many times? 3 times. Next to 1575 is how many times? Definitely it is 2 times. 1500 is 3000, so 3000, and 3000 it is nothing but 150. Option D is absolutely right answer. Okay, what happened? It is 15 to 60, I take alternative series, and it is 210 to 630, and it is 15 to 75. So definitely this is how many times? 4 times, and definitely this is how many times? 3 times, definitely this is how many times? 2 times. So therefore which option is the right answer? 3150 is absolutely right answer. Okay, ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. ఓకే, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి 3150, which option is right answer? So D is absolutely right answer. I take alternative series, no need to find relation between 16 to 210. It approximately nothing but what it around it is 3.5. 60 to 210 is 3.5, it would be 2.5, next it is 2, next 1, 1.5, next 1 it is. Okay, it is a take it as alternative series. Alternative series తీసుకొని సరిపోతుంది. You never need to find 60 to 210 relation. Okay, you just skip it if you want to answer in with short time. Next 45 to 49, how much increase? Plus 4 increase, minus 9 decrease, plus 25 increase, next to minus 36, no, plus 4 minus 10 25, and it is minus 49. Okay, it is 2 square, next it is 3 square, next it is 5 square, next it is 7 square, next prime numbers, it's 11 square, it is 121. So 16 plus 121, 137. Option A is a right answer. 16 plus 121, getting it is 137. Option A is the right answer. It is alternative series, plus and minus, which is having prime squares. Okay, so prime square is a right answer. Let's look at the next question. 4, 9, 28, 566. Next, how much increased? Plus, okay, so 4 and 5, 9 3s are 27. Okay, so nothing but what it is? 4 2s are 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1, getting into 9. Next 9 3s are 27 plus 1, it is 28. Next into 4 plus 1, so 1 1 2 plus 1, it's 1 1 3. Option B is the right answer. Okay, so let's move on the next question. Clear? Let's move on the next question. How much increase it is? Plus 8. Okay, how much increase? Plus 8, and it's plus 11. Next plus 15. Okay, so how much increase it is? Plus 3, and it is plus 4. Obviously next is plus 5, nothing but what? 20. So 20 plus 56 get is 76. Option B is the right answer. So it is a step series, step addition series. Okay. Next question, it's a simplification section. So simplification section చూద్దాం. So 462. Okay, all unit digits are 0, so definitely we have to do calculation, and you just write in 462, nothing but what? It's 21 by 4, you getting into 4 plus 24. So 4 2s are 12 4s are 48, 12 2s are 24, it is 288. Okay, so 21 how many times? 2 times, again 2 times. Okay, so 22 4s are how much? 88. So nothing but what? 88. So which option is the right answer? Obviously 376 is a right answer. Okay, so I make it 5.25. 5.25 can make it 5 plus 1 by 4, so it would be 21 by 4. So ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ 5.25 యూ కెన్ ఆపరేట్ 21/4 అంటే 5.25తో మనం సింప్లిఫై చేయడం చాలా కష్టం. సో బికాస్ ఇట్ ఇస్ అ 3 digit నెంబర్ యూ కెన్ ట్రాన్స్లేట్ ఇంటూ 5 + 1/4 మేక్ ఇంటూ 21/4. సో డివైడెడ్ బై అంటే డినామినేటర్ ఉంటే ఇట్ బికమ్ న్యూమరేటర్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ 21 how many times? 2 times, 21 2 times. So 22 4s are how much? 88. 288 plus 88 getting is 376. You can go for unit digit verification technique also because only one of the unit digit is 6, that is only option C. Okay, అలా దాన్ని కూడా చేయొచ్చు. Next question, 756 divided by 14 into 5 minus 7921. So just look at it as, so very important. Before answer this question, you just confirm it as definitely this is even number. So even into 5, unit digit is 0 and it is 9, nothing but what? So 7921 is near to 90 square. 90 square is how much? 8100. Now below is 89. So definitely unit digit is 9. 0 minus 9, unit digit is only 1. Unit digit 1, we get option D is the right answer. Okay, examination ఇలా solve చేయాలి. Never ever to try to normal method. So if you want to do a normal method, let's do it as normal method. So you can write it as 756 divided by 14 into 5 minus, this is how much? 89. 14 4s are 14 5s are 14 5s are and 14 4s are. So next you do calculation. So 50 into nothing but what? 50 5s are 250, 5 4s are 20, it is 270. So 270 minus 89, 10 minus 9 is 1. Next 16 minus 8 is 8, again it is 1. So what's your answer? 181. You can go for normal technique, you can go for also option D is absolutely right answer. Okay, option D is a right answer. Let's move on the next question. Let's look at the next question. So next question is mixed fraction. So mixed fraction undi manaku 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 is how much? 5, and it is LCM is 12. So this is how much? 3 plus 9 minus question mark is equal to, is nothing but what? 4. Okay, so 12 cancel, it's 6, 6 minus 4 is 2. So which option is the right answer? Option E is absolutely right answer. So 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 cancel, 5 plus 1 it is 6. So 6 minus 4 getting it is 2. Option E is absolutely right answer. Okay, let's move on the next question. 56 plus 8 cube. So 56 divided by 8 cube. So nothing but what? Take it as, so 43s are how much? 520. Okay, it is 520. So 13 4s are how much? 52. It is nothing but what? 520. 520 minus 512. So nothing but what is how much? 8. So 56 question mark is equal to 8. 8 how many times? It is 7 times. Option A is absolutely right answer. Okay, so how it is? 13 how many times? 14 times. 13 40s are how much? 520. 520 minus 512 nothing but 8. 8 how many times is 56? 7 times is 56. Now question mark is equal to 7. Okay, so don't worry, who are the first అంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడే కనుక వీడియో చూస్తున్నట్లయితే, సో డోంట్ వరీ, నేను మళ్ళీ వీడియోని అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనకు ఓన్లీ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ దిస్ వీడియోని యాప్లో చాలా డీటెయిల్గా స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ క్లీన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అంటే డీటెయిల్గా మెథడ్తో చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది. సో డోంట్ వరీ, అక్కడ మనం చూడొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో వాళ్ళకి ఇంతవరకు ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ రాని వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్నారో డోంట్ వరీ, నేను యాప్లో దీన్ని డీటెయిల్గా ప్రొసీజర్గా కాన్సెప్ట్తో చాలా డీటెయిల్గా చెప్పడం జరుగుతుంది, అక్కడ మరి చూడొచ్చు. Okay, let's look at the next question. 8 cube is 512. So 512 means what? Question mark plus 120. 512 means what? 512 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 8s are 32, 128. Now question mark is equal to 8. Option C is a right answer. Okay, 8 cube is 512. 512 divided by 4 is nothing but what? 128. 128 minus 120 is nothing but 8 is absolutely right answer. Clear? Next question. 4 to the power of question mark. So 4 to the power of question mark into 2 is equal to 16 square is nothing but what? You can write 4 to the power of 4 divided by, so 2. So nothing but what? 2. So you can write it as 4 to the power of question mark is equal to 4 to the power of question mark is equal to 4 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 1. Now question mark is equal to 3. Option B is the right answer because, so a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, nothing but what? A to the power of m minus n. So 4 minus 1 getting into 3. Question mark, if bases are equal, powers are equal. Question mark is equal, option B is the right answer. Okay, so next question. So next question, 4 ones are 4. Okay, 4 15s, okay, 4 15s, 115. So 20% is nothing but what, 1 by 5 of x is equal to 115 minus nothing but what is 70. 75s are how much, 350. Which option is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. 115 minus 45 is 70. 75s are how much, 350. 20% is nothing but what, 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into so 1 by 5 into x is equal to 70 means what, 75 times is how much, 350 is absolutely right answer. Clear? Let's look at the next question. 65% of 480, you just do half and double technique. 130 percentage of 240, I just double of 65 and half of 480. Question mark shift into right hand side and 350 shift into left hand side, it become 175. Okay, so percentage 2 zeros cancel, 13 4s are 52, 13 2s are 26, nothing but what, 350, so 312. So 312 minus 175, so it is 7, it is 3, it is 1. Option C is the right answer, 137. Okay, 12 minus 5 nothing but what, 7, and 9 minus 10 minus 7 is 3, and 2 minus 1 is 1. 137 is absolutely right answer. Next question. So just to do half and double technique, 625 double is 1250. So half and double technique, 1250% of it is 24, and 0.75 you can write 3 by 4. So denominator unte numerator avutundi nothing but what, 4 by 3. 3 how many times, 8 times. 1250 double it is 2500 percentage. If do double, if it is half, it is 16. So percentage 2 zeros cancel, 25 16s are how much, 400. Which option is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. Okay, so 25 16s are how much, 400. Okay, simple calculation, do half and double technique. 25 double 50, 16 half 80, so 58s are how much, 400 is the right answer. Next question. Okay, 512 divided by question mark is equal to 612. 512 divided by question mark is equal into 6 is equal to 192. 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are. Okay, so 32 how many times, 32 1s are 32. So next table, 32 1s are 32. So next how many times it is, obviously it is 16 times. So question mark is equal 16. Which option is the right answer? Option D is the right answer. Okay, so next question, this is entirely one term because it's having percentage, so therefore you can write 5040 divided by, what is this, x percent of, you take it as x percentage, x percent of what would be 840 is equal to 8. So 8 7s of 8 8s are 8 6 are 48, 8 3s are 630. Okay, so 0 zeros cancel now, so nothing but what, so 100 into 63 divided by 84 is equal to x. Okay, so next 7 9s are 12s are, so 3 4s are 3 3s are, 4 how many times, 25 times, 25 3s are how much, 75. Which option is the right answer? Option C is the right answer. If you having question mark with the percentage of 840, so this entirely one term. Okay, so chala mandi em chestarante, they trying to people making it to 5040 divided by x into, they're doing question mark they're doing percentage of 840. So this is absolutely wrong. Okay, so percentage manaku off undante entirely one term ga teeskovali, V Bodmas rule chudali, so that's very important. Okay, 75 is the right answer. Next question, 75% of 280 nothing but what, so 1/4 of this end is 70, 280 70 this is nothing but what, it is 210. Okay, how I do it is 100% is similarly 280. Now 25% means what, 1/4 is almost 70. Okay, 280 minus 70 nothing but what, 210. Okay, I make to answer in with simple technique. Okay, so ee vidhanga solve cheyadam jarigindi. Next one chuddam, 20% is 1 by 5, 1 by 5 9, so nothing but what, it is 201. 201 option C is the right answer. Okay, next one. Next caselets avadam jarindi. So caselets some moderate, easy kaadu but moderate avadam jarindi. So if you prepare a table, we can answer the question. Okay, first one, we have the caselet right hand side and we have the question at left hand side. So class A, there are total number of students are 90. So totally class A lo 90 students unnarata. 30 students are in group X. Ratio of number of students in group Y and Z is 1:2. Okay, so we should have to prepare a table to answer this question. So first we have a class as well as B class as well as C class. There are X and Y as well as Z. Okay, total how many students? 90 students. And class A is how many students? A as well as B as well as A. Class A how many students? 30 students, remaining 60. So 1 is to 2 nothing but what? It is 1 is to 2 means what? It is 20. It would be 40. Okay, how is possible? 1 is to 2. Totally 3 parts is how much? 60. సో డెఫినెట్లీ చూడండి, టోటల్ స్ట్రెంత్ 90 ఉన్నారండి, అందులో 30 ఎక్స్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నారు, ఎక్స్ గ్రూప్లో ఉన్నారు. సో టోటల్ చేస్తే మనకి 90 రావాలి. Y/Z వచ్చేసి మనకి ఎంత ఉంది రేషియో? 1:2 ఉంది. సో 3 parts 60 అయితే 1 part 20, 2 parts 40 అవుతారు. నెక్స్ట్ బి గురించి చూద్దాం. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆర్ 80, టోటల్ 80 రావాలి. ద రేషియో ఆఫ్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ XYZ ఇస్ 8:5:3. 8:5 16, 16 5s are 8 5s are 40. It would be 40, it would be 25, it would be 15. Okay, so this is X and Y. Next we discuss about C. The number of students in group Y half of the group X. So X లో suppose X లో మనకు 100 ఉంటే ఇందులో 50 ఉంటారు అలా అనమాట. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్ C ఆర్ 20 మోర్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ క్లాస్ E. సో దీనికన్నా 20 ఎక్కువ ఉన్నారంటే ఇది 50. సో 50 హాఫ్ ఎంత అన్నాడు? 25 అన్నాడు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏమన్నాడు? నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ Z ఆఫ్ క్లాస్ ఈస్ 20% లెస్ దాన్ దట్ ఆఫ్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్స్. 20% లెస్ దాన్ అంటే 10 లెస్ దాన్ అంటే 40. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద టేబుల్ వి ప్రిపేర్డ్ ఇట్ ఇస్. ఓకే, మనం ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో టేబుల్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సో టు ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, సో మనకి ఇప్పుడు టేబుల్ ఏదైతే వచ్చిందో ఈ టేబుల్ మనకు చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ మనకు. ఓకే, సో దిస్ టేబుల్ ప్లే వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ సో ఫర్దర్లీ టు ఆన్సర్ ద క్వశ్చన్. లెట్స్ లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. సో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నాడో చూద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఏమన్నాడు? ద టోటల్ 34 గర్ల్స్ ఇన్ క్లాస్ ఏ. సో క్లాస్ ఏలో టోటల్గా 34 గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నారట. సో 12 గర్ల్స్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ ఎక్స్. సో గ్రూప్ ఎక్స్లో 12 గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నారు. సో 12 గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నారంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత అవుతారు? 22 అవుతారు. ఓకే, సో దేర్ ఫార్ Y అండ్ Z కలిపి ఎంత అవుతారు? 22 అవుతారు. సో Y అండ్ Z ఈస్ మేకింగ్ ఇట్ 22 బికాస్ 12 ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి. ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏమన్నాడు? ఫైండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బాయ్స్ ఇన్ గ్రూప్ Y అండ్ Z. ఓకే, సో 60లోకి వెళ్ళి 22 పోతే మనకి ఎంత వస్తారు? 38 వస్తారు. విచ్ ఆప్షన్? ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఇస్ అ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో గ్రూప్ ఏలో మనకు టోటల్గా 34 గర్ల్స్ ఉన్నారు. అందులో ఎక్స్లో 12 గర్ల్స్ ఉంటే రిమైనింగ్ 22 ఎందులో ఉంటారు? Y అండ్ Z కలిపి ఉంటారు. సో 20 + 40 60. 60లో 22 పోతే మనకి రిమైనింగ్ ఎంత అవుతారు? 38 అవుతారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ బాయ్స్. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. Let's look at the next question. What is the total number of students in group Y all the classes? Group Y all the classes. So 25 25 50 50 plus 20 70. Option B is the right answer. Okay, once you prepare a table you can answer all the questions thoroughly. Okay, this is a case study which is given. Next question. Find the respective ratio between average students in group X of class A and B. 30 plus 40 70. 70 half is nothing but what? 35. So 35 is 2 and total students in class C. So total students in class C is nothing but what? 90 115. It would be 115. Okay, so 5 7s are 5 2s are 5 3s are 7:23. Option B is a right answer. Okay, option B is absolutely right answer. Clear? Let's move on the next question. Next, A and B starting a business together. B invested 60% more than that of A. So investment 60% more than it is if it is 100 is a 160 nothing but what it is 5:8. What is investment? A and B is how much? 5:8. And the time ratio is how much? 8 and 9. So 8 cancel. What is the respective ratio is? 5:9. So 5:9 is there. Quantity 1 చూద్దాం. A share of profit of total profit is 25. Total parts is 14 with 252. Okay, 14 ones are 14. 112. How many times? 8 times. So there are totally 1800. 1800 nothing but what? It is 9000. What is the profit of A is how much? 1900. Next, total is how many parts? 14 parts. 14 parts is 1400. 1400. Next, B nothing but what is 9000. Both are equal. Option is the right answer. Both are equal. So manako A share also 9000, B share also 9000. So total profit is how much? Both the profits same unnai kabatti option is the right answer. Quantity 1 is equal to quantity 2. Okay, so next question chuddam. Probability of 2 yellow balls out of 8 balls are done. Totally 8 balls. 8 lo 2 balls istunnadu. So yellow balls chuddam. 3 are red, 5 are yellow. 5C2. So 5C2 nothing but what? 10 and AC2 nothing but what it is 28. So 28 nothing but what? 5/14. Okay, ఇది ఏమన్నాడు? X అన్నాడు. Okay, so this is quantity 2 and quantity 1 ఎంతట మనకు 8/27 and quantity 2 గురించి ఇచ్చాడు మనకు. So 5/14. Definitely 5/14 is a greater value. Which option is the right answer? B is the right answer. Okay, so ఈ విధంగా చెక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ ఎలా చెక్ చేసినామంటే అప్రాక్సిమేట్ ఇది 1450 కదండి, సో 50, సో 14 అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ 14 3s are, so 80 అంటే 27 how many times, definitely is nothing but what 0.2 something, this is nothing but what 0.3 something, so option B is the right answer, quantity 1 less than quantity 2. ఓకే, ఆ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. డూ క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్, ఇట్స్ ఆల్సో preferable. Next question, let's move on. Next question. A train is 480 meter long, crosses a platform which is half of its length in 36 seconds. So first we have to find length speed of the train. It is 480 and half of the platform is 240 in 36 seconds. It is 720 upon 36, nothing but what 20 mph. It would be 20 mph. What is the speed is 20 mph. In what time will it cross a platform which is twice of its length? అంటే ప్లాట్ఫామ్కి ట్వైస్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి టోటల్లీ 3 times అవుతుంది. ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే చూడండి, ట్రైన్ లెంత్ 480లో ట్వైస్ అన్నాడు కాబట్టి 960. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 480 కామన్ తీసామనుకోండి, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటుంది, అంటే 480 ప్లస్ 480 into 3 ఇలా చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ. అంతేకాని 480 ప్లస్ 960 యాడ్ చేస్తే టైం టేకింగ్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 20లో 75% of earliest speed, 75% is nothing but about 3/4, 3 cancel, 4 how many times, 5 times, 5 9s are 45, 5 6 are 30, 96 seconds ante 1 minute 36 seconds, 1 minute 36 seconds. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. It depends on your smart calculation only. Okay, next question chuddam. Let's move on to the next question. A boat takes 20 hours to travel downstream in river A and takes 21 hours to travel same distance. Here distance is constant, so distance is constant. Ikkada manaku time at A and time at B is mentioned is 20:20, 20:21. Okay, 20:21. Therefore I am take speed ratio, so speed of A is to speed of B is equal to, it would be 21:20. I take speed ratio. సో ఇక్కడ అన్ని కూడా మనకు డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్ అని చెప్పడం జరిగింది కాబట్టి ఐ టేక్ డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్. సో డౌన్ స్ట్రీమ్లో చూసినట్లయితే వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద బోట్ ఈస్ 18 kmph, ఇర్ ఆల్సో 18 kmph. నెక్స్ట్ ఏమంటున్నాడు, ఇఫ్ స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కరెంట్ ఆఫ్ రివర్ ఈస్ 50% మోర్, 50% మోర్ అంటే ఇట్ వుడ్ బి 50% మోర్. చూడండి 50% మోర్ అంటే ఏంటంటే 150 upon 100, నథింగ్ బట్ వాట్ 3/2, అంటే దిస్ ఇస్ 3x అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 2x ఈజ్ మెన్షన్. క్లియర్? సో జాగ్రత్త అండి, ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ మీన్స్ ఈక్వల్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్స్. సో 21 into 18, so 21 into 18 plus, so 21 2s are how much, 42x is equal to 20 into 18 plus 60x is equal 0. 60x minus 42x, nothing but what 18x. So what is common? 18 common. Now x is equal how much? 1. So it is stream of A is 3x. 3x means what? 3 kmph. Which option is the right answer? Option A is the right answer. It's comparative question. Here distance is constant. If distance is constant, speed and time are which proportion? Basically inversely proportion తీసుకొని solve చేయొచ్చు. So this is a way to do the question. Okay. ఇక్కడ stream speed compare చేయడం జరిగింది కాబట్టి we can take the stream speed also. Okay. Let's move. ఈ విధంగా solve చేయొచ్చు. Next question చూద్దాం. A bag contains 4 red, 7 green and 3 pink balls. Okay, there are totally how many balls? 14 balls. Right? Total how many balls? 14 balls. One ball is chosen randomly from the bag. Find the probability choosing either red ball or pink ball. Okay, so 14C1. So 14C1 is mentioned. So what is the mention? Either red ball or pink ball. Okay, red ball. So red ball ante 4C1 or next pink ball another. So pink is how many? 3C1. So nothing but what 7 upon 14, nothing but what half, 1/2. Which option is the right answer? D is the right answer. Either are property making plus condition. సో మనకు పర్ముటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్లో 2 క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్ ఉంటాయి, కౌంటింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ 2 ఉంటాయి. ఒకటి ప్రొడక్ట్ టెక్నిక్ అంటాం, ఇంకోటి నెక్స్ట్ అడిషన్ టెక్నిక్ అంటాం. ప్రొడక్ట్ టెక్నిక్ అంటేనేమో ఆఫ్ అని యూజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం, అండ్ ప్రాపర్టీ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. ఐదర్ ఆర్ టెక్నిక్కి మనము ప్లస్ని యూజ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో ప్రాబిలిటీ చేసే ముందు అందరికీ పర్ముటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్ రావాలి. డోంట్ వెరీ సూన్ వీ గోయింగ్ టు ప్రొవైడ్ ఎ వీడియో ఆన్ పర్ముటేషన్ కాంబినేషన్ టెక్నిక్స్. వాటిని కౌంటింగ్ టెక్నిక్స్ అంటాము. సో అవి ఫర్దర్లీ చూద్దాం మనం క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని కూడా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాం. ఏ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ అండ్ వాటర్ హ్యాస్ 62% ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ కంటెంట్, అనదర్ మిక్చర్ హ్యాస్ 17% ఆఫ్ వాటర్ కంటెంట్. వాట్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ మిక్చర్ ఆఫ్ 62% ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ కంటెంట్ ఈస్ మిక్స్డ్ విత్ 8 liters of mixture of 83% milk content to prepare a new mixture of 16% milk content. ఫస్ట్ దానిలో మిల్క్ ఎంత ఉందట 62, మిల్క్ ఉంటే 38 వాటర్ ఉంటుంది. సెకండ్ కంటైనర్లో మనకు బేసిక్గా చూద్దాం. సో ఇట్ వుడ్ బి 83 ఈజ్ అ మిల్క్ అండ్ 17 ఈజ్ అ వాటర్. ద రిజల్టెంట్ మిక్చర్ ఈజ్ 16% మిల్క్, 31 ఈజ్ వాటర్. అండ్ దిస్ హ్యావింగ్ హౌ మెనీ లీటర్స్ ఆఫ్ మిల్క్? 8 liters అన్నాడు. సో టోటల్ 100 ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ 100, ఆబ్వియస్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ 100, obviously this is 100. So any quantity is necessary to take. I take 62. So here it is 62. What is the milk here? It is 83. What is the milk here? 69. Mixes and allocation technique. Cheaper, dearer, mean. 83 minus 69, 14. 62 minus 69, 7. So there are totally 2:1. 1 part 8 liters, 2 part 16 liters. Okay. So which option is the right answer? Option C. One. Next question చూద్దాం. In a company, the ratio of female technical to female non-technical is 5:4. There are 64% of males in a company. So females in a technical are half of the males in technical అంటున్నాడు. What is the ratio of male technical staff to non-technical staff? Okay. So total 100 అనుకుందాం. అందులో ఫీమేల్ వచ్చేసి మనకు మేల్ వచ్చేసి 64 అయితే ఫీమేల్ వచ్చేసి మనకు 36 అవుతారు. What is the ratio is mentioned? Basically 5:4 is mentioned. This is technical to non-technical. సో టెక్నికల్ ఇప్పుడు ఎంత అవుతారు మనకు 9 part 36 అయితే వీళ్ళు 20 అవుతారు, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ వీళ్ళు ఎంత అవుతారు 16 అవుతారు. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్లో మనకు మేలో టెక్నికల్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ నాన్ టెక్నికల్ కనుక్కోమంటున్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమంటున్న క్వశ్చన్లో ఫీమేల్స్ ఇన్ టెక్నికల్ ఆర్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద మేల్స్ అంటాడు. అంటే వీళ్ళు 20 హాఫ్ అంటే మేల్ ఎంత అవుతారు 40 అవుతారు. ఎంత అవుతారు 40 అవుతారు. టోటల్ 64 అంటే 40 అయితే నాన్ టెక్నికల్ ఎంత అవుతారు 24 అవుతారు. 5 8 5 3. సో విచ్ ఆప్షన్ ఇస్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్? బేసికలీ ఆప్షన్ సి ఈజ్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చండి. జాగ్రత్తనండి, ఇక్కడ టెక్నికల్ ఫీమేల్లో మేల్ దానిలో కన్నా ఫీమేల్ వాళ్ళు ఆఫ్ ఉంటారట. ఫీమేల్ ఆఫ్ అంటే 20. సో దీన్ని డబుల్ వేస్తే 40. అంటే వీళ్ళు 40 అయితే టోటల్ మేల్ 64. ఆల్రెడీ వీళ్ళు 40 అయితే వీళ్ళు ఎంత అవుతారు 24 అవుతారు. సో ఎలా అవుతుంది 8 5 అండ్ basically 8 how many times to get it is 3 times. Okay, which option is right answer? Option C is absolutely right answer. ఈ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. So these are the questions which are primarily based questions in July 10, and remaining sets also we're going to provide very soon. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Navina's Maths YouTube channel and CBS Institute 2 also.